Hello everyone, I am Rutuparna Karkare. I am currently working as the head of the Department of Biotechnology Engineering at KIT's College of Engineering, Kolhapur. Friends, when we generally consider the engineering career, then we think of different branches like conventional branches, mechanical engineering, civil engineering, electrical engineering and so on. Generally, in parents and 12th standard students, there is a conventional thinking that if person is having PCM group at 12th level, then the student will try for engineering branch, and if it is PCB, then the student will try for medicine as a career. But nowadays, I would like to give you few examples where currently we are undergoing COVID-19 epidemic. Now we know that because of this COVID-19, majority of the pharma companies, they are behind the drug research as well as the vaccine research, which is to be found out and which is the need of the day. We talk of organic farming nowadays. We talk of automation in farming. We talk of medical diagnostic advancements. We talk of medicines like insulin, which is very helpful for diabetic persons in the world. Now, if you consider all these revolutions, then it is nothing but the biotechnology contribution. So I want to emphasize here that biology is intervening every branch of engineering nowadays. Now, considering all these aspects of biology and its interdisciplinary research, KIT's proactive management took this early initiative in the year 2002, way back, and they started the first ever program called as Bachelor of Engineering in Biotechnology Engineering in the year 2002 in the state of Maharashtra. Currently, we are running BTech program at undergraduate level in biotechnology and MTech program at postgraduate level in biochemical engineering and biotechnology at our department. When we talk about biotechnology field, we generally consider two aspects into it. One is technology and engineering aspect. In the technology and engineering aspect, we classify the different fields under biotechnology as biopharmaceutical engineering, industrial biotechnology, plant biotechnology, environmental biotechnology, animal biotechnology, etc. When we consider the fundamental research approach, we consider genetic technologies at plant and animal level as well as tissue and cell engineering. In this 4 years of undergraduate program of BTech, what we are offering, we generally emphasize more on bioprocess engineering. Bioprocess engineering means we teach here fundamentals of fermentative productions of various molecules. It includes biopharmaceuticals like insulin, monoclonal antibodies, growth hormone. It also includes vitamins production, antibiotics production, then different enzyme production, etc. Considering the industrial aspect, industry scenario in India, we know that more than 65% industry in biotechnology is in the field of biopharmaceuticals. So considering all these aspects, we have designed our syllabus in such a way that it will help our students to get placed in biopharma industries as well as it will help the students to go for higher studies. So for this particular purpose, whenever we are designing our curriculum, we take the help of industrial experts as well as very renowned scientists and good faculties from different institutes of repute. This is all about the course of 4 years that we are offering here. Now I would like to talk about our departmental strengths. Point number 1 is students' achievements. Because we are a pioneer in Maharashtra for this course, 14 batches till date have passed out. More than 700 students graduated from our department till date. In that, more than 100 students pursued their higher education from abroad universities, from USA, from Canada, from Australia, from Germany, from UK, etc. These students pursued their MS or PhD or both. They are from good universities. They have pursued their masters from world top 10, top 100 universities like University of Pennsylvania, Michigan State University, MIT, Northeastern University, etc. Few of our alumni also are working in world reputed organizations of USA in biotechnology such as Amgen, Punagen, Adimab, Paul, etc. This is all about the higher education abroad. We do provide training in the competitive examinations like GATE, which is the entrance for pursuing MTech in India. We provide the coaching for GATE in the department for all students who want to pursue GATE type of examinations and go ahead with the MTech. They are working in very well reputed organizations like IITs, NITs, ICT, and even some private organizations like BITS Pinani. Under this coaching of GATE, many of the students qualify GATE each year from our department. When we talk about the ranks of the students in GATE, previous year there were 6 students qualifying GATE who were in first 500 All India rank at national level, and 3 of them were in first 100. It is really a proud moment for us. This is first point. The second point of the departmental strength is alumni network. We do have a very strong alumni network where majority of the students are connected across all the batches which have passed out. These alumni are working in very well reputed organizations in biopharma sector in India such as Lupin, Wockhardt, Intas, Serum, even few other organizations like DD Enterprises or MBio. These students, they are connecting with our current students, and we have a mentorship kind of program with alumni called as mentor-mentee relationship. Here alumni will help our students in terms of career guidance, in terms of technical guidance, or even in some cases they do give entrepreneurial guidance to our current students. And because of that, it is helping our current students for building their profile. The third point in the departmental strength is our strong industrial linkages. Currently, I am working also as training and placement coordinator of the department. So we do have a very good strong industrial linkages where industries, what I have mentioned before, they help us in terms of syllabus improvements, syllabus suggestions. Even the faculties from industries, they come here and teach to our students. They help us in the industrial visits for students and even our teachers. Even students trainings and student long-term internships, these industries are connected with us, and finally placements. So we every year have more than 90% placements of our students in biotech industries, as well as few students go for higher education. Considering the tie-ups of these industries, we have MOUs with few industries. To name a few example, Mahalakshmi E-Recycler or MBio Mahad. Now Mahalakshmi E-Recycler is a company with which we are working on the recycling of e-waste like projects. This is all about the industrial connections. The next point is of the laboratory infrastructure. You can see here we have a very good state-of-the-art laboratory infrastructure where students can perform hands-on experimentation. We have talked now about the departmental strengths. Now I would like to additionally mention few practices, what we can call it as the best practices of our department. We do provide career counseling to the students. Under this training and placement activity, we individually talk to the student and try to get their likings, their future plans. Accordingly, from second year to last year, the final year of engineering, we individually talk to them and try to see how the person can be developed with respect to profile building. Here we help them to go to industries for internships. Here we help them for their mini projects at the department level. Like this, we develop them, try to inculcate good habits between them, and then we can have the good profile building of the students. This is about the career guidance. Talking about the next best practice, that is the student association. We have a departmental student association called as engineers. Under this, we conduct and organize many different events. Like we have a flagship event of KIT called as Pioneer, in which we every year have the model competitions, poster competition, etc. Our students also have the different NGO visits nearby Kolhapur where they help these NGOs. As well as this year we have done one program called as a Corona Awareness Program on International Women's Day. So talking about this under Student Association as a good practice, I would like to also mention one more, which is called as professional certifications. Our students go for online courses which are conducted by IITs under the umbrella of NPTEL. It is National Program on Technology Enhanced Learning. Under this NPTEL, IITs offer the courses online and our students pursue them. Few of our students have also topped these courses, and because of this they have got the internship offers at IITs. So considering all these good practices or best practices, our students are really having good profile building in our department. So currently looking at the COVID-19 pandemic and how biotechnology can help the world, how biotechnology is important in the vaccine and drug research, we can really understand the importance of biotechnology. So, out of all these aspects, the takeaway points if you consider, then the 4 year of curriculum, the tailor-made syllabus, the students' achievements, our alumni network, as well as our industrial linkages. So, considering all this, BTech Biotechnology program is really a very good career for students, and I would say, I'm sure that it will be a very great scope for students who will pursue this career. Thank you.